Don't worry, babe. Well, that's it, guys. Summer is over, man. We've started to winterize the boat. We've taken down all our awning from the sun deck, and then all the deck furnitures we have dropped up and stored on our storage. Look what the area looks like now, nice and empty. And then we took off the nice dining table here. We wrap it up with the protection and we store it inside the boat. And what you see here, this is gonna be our like a little bit of a working station. We just bought MDF wood that we can use as a table. So we're gonna use this for the winter. It's gonna be a little workbench. Yeah, man, look at the area without the deck furniture. Looking good, man. So in the next few months until the summer starts, all we're gonna have to do is more of those painting, repair, varnish. So anyway, in the next few weeks, once we start busting all the blisters on the front, and then yeah, that's gonna be our project for the winter time, guys. So follow us on that.
Ay, sakoy, masigma, langkat ang kahoy.
Okay, as you can see, we started busting blisters now. So we're gonna have a big project here ahead of us for the winter time. So what we're gonna do before it gets too cold, we're gonna try fix this blister here in the front. Slowly do it, and then work our way to the both sides of the bulwarks there. So Nick is starting to do the front, and then yeah, man. So looking like a big project here. We've done this the last time about 6-7 years ago. So it's about time. We got some of them blisters is the old ones just popped up again. So yeah, man. So you have to follow us on the progress of this whole project, guys. So this is just the beginning, all right? So follow us, stay tuned. Nick, what can you say? Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Yeah, man.
And
So
like
stay
and
tuned,
subscribe.
like and subscribe, and follow us on the journey. This is gonna be interesting one, okay?